Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, international makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this feminine look with blurred lips and lilac eyes. Of course, we always want beautiful, clean skin, so this is why I start with the toner. I'm applying it all over the face in order to balance the skin, and then the next step is always hydration. I make sure that everything is hydrated by applying this serum all over the face. This is very good as a makeup base because it absorbs very fast into the skin and is not greasy at all. And the next step is eye cream, and I'm applying it in gentle motions all around the eye area. And after that, I'm gonna apply some primer. This is a blurring primer that I'm only applying it on the center of the face. So in order to even out the skin tone, I start by applying this beautiful foundation by Bellatory. This is one of my favorites because it's so easy to blend. It's literally liquid, and you can also blend it with your fingers for a very quick application, everyday application. After that, I'm gonna jump to the concealer, and I'm only applying a small amount in the key areas, as you can see right here. And after that, I'm gonna use the cream blushes. These are by Sunnies Face. I'm combining the shades Biscuit and the shades Doll because I want like a nudie pink. And after that, I'm also going to use a cream contour. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour, and I'm applying it with this beautiful brush by Iconic London. I'm also blending it at the same time. I'm now applying the lip mask because I forgot to do that in the beginning, and you always see this lip mask in my tutorial because it's literally so good. After that, I'm using the Huda Beauty powder. This is the shade Sugar Cookie, and I'm only applying a small amount on the under eye area and center of the face in order to blur every single pore. And after that, with a very small amount, I'm just setting the rest of the face very lightly. I'm gonna also set the face using this setting spray by Fresh, and while the face is still damp, I'm gonna also apply the highlighter for it to pop a little bit more. I'm applying it on tops of cheekbones, nose bridge, and also in the inner corners of the eyes. I just realized I almost always say that, but this is the easiest eye look that you can ever do. It's just literally one eyeshadow all over the lid, and of course you can always switch the color. Today I decided to use this beautiful lilac color because it works perfectly with the lips that I'm gonna do a little bit later. I'm also making sure that the brows are brushed up, and I'm also filling them in just a tiny bit with this brow pen. And after that I'm gonna get to the mascara. I'm applying several coats of mascara because I love chunky lashes. And for the blurred lips, I'm only using one product, and this is the Sunnies Face 143 lipstick. This is one of my favorite formulas. It has that perfect velvet finish, so it looks very beautiful with this specific technique, with this blurred lip. So I start by applying it on the center of the lips, and I'm blending it on the edges as well. And after that, because I want that blurred line, I'm gonna use a clean brush and I'm gonna just blur the edges, literally blur them. And after that, I'm gonna come back on the center of the lips because I want to build the intensity a little bit more. And this is the final look. I hope you will recreate it because it's super wearable and you can wear it on any occasion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.